everybody. In today's Baby Daily Language, Pearl and I are going to do a mini garden craft. Spring is here and I thought it would be a really great activity for Pearl and all of you and your babies too. It's really easy to do and the kids will learn a lot and it's fun. Here is some key language that you're going to hear in today's video. What do you want to plant? Spread out the soil. Poke holes in the dirt. Put the seeds in. Boop, 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 boop. Cover up the seeds. Water evenly. So let's hear them and a lot of other really useful and simple daily language in action. Hey guys, we're planting a tiny garden using an egg carton here. There you go, Pearlie, that's the right idea.
We need a little bit of water.
We do! After we plant the seeds, Pearlie, we can add the water. This is the dirt or gardening soil. So take a scoop and put it in. Try to fill it up on the sides here, okay? Like this one. Now I don't know how this is going to turn out, all right? This is a gardening experiment. All right? Let's do one more little scoop here and then we can try to use our fingers to make it even, all right? So we want to spread it out evenly so it's all even along here. Okay? That's the right idea.
It's like Peppa Pig.
It's like Peppa Pig? Yeah, kinda. Alright. What's next? What do you think?
Water.
Oh, not yet. First we have to put in the tiny little seeds. Okay, let me go get some seeds, okay? Okay, I have some seeds here I ordered. Tomato seeds. Different kinds of tomatoes. Here, look. Let's grow some. Let's grow some arugula. Cool. Here, take that. Use your finger before the seeds. We need to take your finger and poke one hole so like that. So there's a place to put the seeds. Yeah.
Mom, this one.
You want to do the cabbage seeds first?
Yeah.
Okay. Before you do it, Pearlie, I want you to watch me carefully, okay? All right. I take maybe 3 or 4, and I chop, 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 boop, and then cover. It's kind of like mini farming. Put them in there. Okay. And then cover.
Cover.
Yeah. I want to remember which ones we've already put seeds in, so let's fill them up by the row. Can you put some seeds in here? Okay, this one. Okay, and this one. Yeah. Okay, so we'll just make this the cabbage row. Next row, you want tomatoes?
Yeah.
Okay. Not all of them, just some. It's okay. We usually put more than one seed in each little spot, because not every seed will grow successfully. So you want at least one to survive. Water. Oh, that feels pretty good. Ah. Oh, I'm not a plant. Okay, water the dirt. Give those seeds some water. There you go. Try to water evenly. And I don't want to overwater, especially because I forgot to put holes in the bottom for drainage. I could use a watering can, but I'm worried the water will come out too fast and just wash everything out. So I'm just using this. It probably just means I have to water it more often. I don't really know what I'm doing. This is just kind of fun to try. I think it's really important for Pearl to get her hands dirty and kind of see how food is grown. Like, for example, the peas. She helped me water every day. There you go.
Wow, what is so long?
This is what Pearl just picked. Harvested. How? It's important to see the whole process, I think. It helps you appreciate the food and also appreciate healthier food, that you know exactly where it comes from and what went into it.
That's good.
It smells good? So I'm going to move this now to a place where it's safe.
Why?
And I can move it around to put it in the sun and take it out of the sun. And there are holes so that it will help with the drainage when I poke holes in the egg carton later. So we'll just leave it here for now, and I'll water it later again.